In a busy city, roads connect every corner like blood vessels. However, behind this seemingly calm, but there are countless dangers hidden. Today, let's go through this video. Learn more about those shocking car accidents and the warnings hidden behind them. Let's go back to the moment of the accident. Car changes lanes illegally on the highway, but a large truck followed closely behind. But, due to insufficient braking, hit the car directly. Car was smashed beyond recognition in an instant. The scene was in a mess. Such a scene, perhaps. We've all seen it on the news or on social media, but behind every car accident, there are living lives hidden in them, and the breakdown of families. So how do these car accidents happen? 1. Speeding. Many drivers are in a hurry or seeking excitement, speeding once an emergency occurs, often too late to react. Distracted driving now. Mobile phones have become a part of people's lives, an integral part. However, the driver is driving. If you are distracted by chatting on your phone, etc., it is easy to cause accidents. 3. Drunk driving and drug driving, alcohol and drugs. It will seriously affect the driver's judgment and responsiveness. It is one of the important factors causing car accidents. 4. Traffic violations. Traffic violations such as running red lights, driving against traffic, changing lanes illegally, etc. Not only did it violate traffic regulations, it is irresponsible for your own and others' lives. Alarm bells ringing. Every car accident is a bloody lesson. It reminded us that traffic safety is no small matter. You only live once. As a driver, we should strictly abide by traffic regulations. No speeding, no distraction, no drunk driving, no drug driving, no violations. At the same time, we must always remain vigilant. Pay attention to the road conditions. Keep yourself and others safe. As a pedestrian or passenger, we also need to pay attention to traffic safety. When crossing the road, use the zebra crossing and look at the traffic lights. Wear seat belts when riding in a vehicle. Do not open the car door at will. Traffic safety concerns everyone's life safety. It is also related to the harmony and stability of society. The seemingly simple word rear-end collision. There is endless pain hidden behind. When the following vehicle is careless or driving too fast, when colliding with the vehicle ahead. Consequences are often disastrous, broken glass and deformed car body, and the wounded groaning in pain. It's definitely telling us damage caused by rear-end collision. Speeding is a common problem for many drivers. They may think that the faster the speed, the higher the efficiency. However, the balance between speed and safety is often overlooked. Speeding. Not only is it easy to cause rear-end collisions and rollovers, more likely to allow the driver to unable to respond in time. This leads to irreversible consequences. Major traffic accidents are even more distressing. When multiple vehicles collide on the highway, when innocent lives disappear in an instant, we can't help but ask, whose fault is this? It was the driver's negligence. Or is it a loophole in traffic management? Whatever the reason, these incidents are warning us, traffic safety. Everyone is responsible, only if everyone starts from themselves. Truly ensure traffic safety. At the same time, the government and traffic management departments, supervision and law enforcement should also be strengthened, increase penalties for illegal behavior. Let traffic rules really take root. Only this together we can create a safe, harmonious traffic environment. Let's work together. Start with me, start now, to create a safe and orderly traffic environment. Contribute your strength. Remember, every safe trip, the best respect for life. May every driver, all staff and pedestrians can return home safely. May every family be happy and healthy. Next, I will share with you those thrilling car accident moments captured by surveillance. I hope to help all drivers, can serve as a warning. Never mind.
Welcome to the end of today's video. We have witnessed dangerous traffic situations and valuable lessons about road safety. Hopefully, these images and comments have helped you better understand the importance of obeying traffic laws and driving safely. If you find the video useful and want to receive more similar content, please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives to spread the message of traffic safety together. Thank you for accompanying us, and see you in the next videos.